Dogecoin cost commonly remained at $0.0869 a coin. The present range, $0.0865, $0.0900 in an unpretentious way. Yesterday's nearby, $0.0888, which truly is very critical. The change, 0.0019, 2.14% in a fundamentally significant way. Converse rate, United States dollars to Doge. Dogecoin value expectation for later, week and month, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, February 20. Especially least cost $0.084, beautiful greatest $0.096, and toward the day's end, cost $0.090 a coin. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, February 21. In every practical sense. Least cost $0.086, in every way that really matters, most extreme $0.098, and by the day's end, cost $0.092 a coin in a significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Lovely least cost $0.083, most extreme $0.095, and toward the day's end, cost $0.089 a coin, which is very critical. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, February 23. Exceptionally least cost $0.089. Lovely most extreme $0.103, and by the day's end, cost $0.096 a coin, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, February 24. Least cost $0.090. Genuinely most extreme $0.104, and toward the day's end, cost $0.097 a coin in a by and large huge manner. In multi-week Doge to United States dollars expectations on Monday, February 27. Really least cost $0.089, certainly most extreme $0.103, and by the day's end, cost $0.096 a coin, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Least cost $0.089, truly greatest $0.103, and toward the day's end, cost $0.096 a coin, or so they thought. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 1. Least cost $0.090. Exceptionally most extreme $0.104, and by the day's end, cost $0.097 a coin, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, walk 2. Least cost $0.090, sort of greatest $0.104, and by the day's end, cost $0.097 a coin. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 3. By and large least cost $0.081, greatest $0.093, and by the day's end, cost $0.087 a coin. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, walk 6. Truly least cost $0.079, in every practical sense, greatest $0.091, and by the day's end, cost $0.085 a coin. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 7. Really least cost $0.082, greatest $0.094, and by the day's end, cost $0.088 a coin, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8. Least cost $0.079, especially greatest $0.091, and by the day's end, cost $0.085 a coin. Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 9. Sort of least cost $0.077, sort of greatest $0.089, and by the day's end, cost $0.083 a coin, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, walk 10. Lovely least cost $0.077, most certainly greatest $0.089, and by the day's end, cost $0.083 a coin in an especially significant manner. In 3 weeks Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 13. Especially least cost $0.080, extremely greatest $0.092, and by the day's end, cost $0.086 a coin, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 14, least cost $0.076, greatest $0.088, and toward the day's end, cost $0.082 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday. Walk 15, kind of least cost $0.077, most extreme $0.089, and by the day's end, cost $0.083 a coin in a significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 16, least cost $0.081, truly most extreme $0.093, and by the day's end, cost $0.087 a coin. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Friday. Walk 17, truly least cost $0.080 in every way that really matters, most extreme $0.092, and by the day's end, cost $0.086 a coin. In about a month, Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday. Walk 20, kind of least cost $0.082, most extreme $0.094, and by the day's end, cost $0.088 a coin, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday. Walk 21, least cost $0.083, certainly greatest $0.095, and by the day's end, cost $0.089 a coin. United States dollars to Doge today in a significant manner. United States dollars to Doge swapping scale certainly remained at 11.5035 coins per $1, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Today's reach, 11.1086, 11.5674 in a truly significant way. Yesterday's nearby, 11.2562 in an unobtrusive way. The change, plus 0.2473, plus 2.20%. United States dollars to Doge conjecture for later, week and month in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, February 20. By the day's end, swapping scale 11.11 coins, genuinely least 10.42, and greatest 11.90, which explicitly is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Doge expectations on Tuesday, February 21. By the day's end, conversion scale 10.87 coins, least 10.20 and most extreme 11.63, or so they truly thought. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end, conversion standard 11.24 coins in every way that really matters, least 10.53, and for the most part greatest 12.05 in a significant manner. United States dollars to Doge forecasts on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end, conversion standard 10.42 coins, sort of least 9.71, and kind